Hello, beautiful, absolutely beautiful people. Welcome to live analysis, trading maybe some entries, maybe some targets, maybe some stop losses. My name is MVL. I'm a Forex trader for over 8 years now, and I'm here to try to teach you something new. We're gonna go through some dollar pairs, yen pairs, gold, silver, gold. Yes, we're gonna go through gold. Yes, we're gonna go through your favorite pairs. Please make them in the comment section below. And has there been anything changed lately? Well, let's see. Let's go through it. Alright, there we are. So, back on IvanFX, being a guest host now on Trader Nick for 3 days now. I was asked on, was it Sunday? Asked if we could do Monday. On Tuesday, on Monday evening, I was asked if we can do Tuesday. On Tuesday, I was asked if we can do Wednesday. So, there we are. As you guys like that content. So, if you are from Trader Nick, very much welcome. If you are here from before, very much welcome. You are now my La Familia. Alright? So, somebody asked me how to get my indicators. There is up there, and this is the videos. Introduction for beginners is where you can find the pivot points in the comment section for MT4 Trading View. And this is my strategy, my rules, how to do it, what to do it, when to do it, all those things. And please, if you watch the videos, leave a comment below so I know that you have watched it. Mr. Exotic, well, here we go again. Hello, balls. Here we go again. Another day in profit, eh? So this week has been pretty spot on. So let's go through the dollars then. Yen, dollar currency has been falling. I think since the since we were live on Trader Nick. Great. I think that was okay. I wasn't expecting it to happen, but it happened. So I'm okay with that. I'm making money on that. So that's a good one. Good mate. So what's next? Well, now we have a double bottom. I want dollar to go a bit lower before we start reversing again. I do know that we are supposed to be the lowest point in October right now on dollar. So I am like a bit shake. I am very fragile to any bullish move on the dollar. Somebody asked, who was it? What is happening? What is going? William asks, what is going on the dollar? This has been our plan since Sunday, William. So I hope that you now are going to be more. You can see the weekly forecast. It says best trading setups for this week, and the thumbnail is somewhere around weekly forecast for beginners. I think it is. Okay. There you go. There is where you should find what I was thinking for this week before the week happened. Okay? Right now, it's all too late. Now, we have to make new plans, and I will try my best to make a weekly Forex forecast for you guys on Saturday. I'll try. I'm not going to make any promises, but I will try to post it around 4 to 5 p.m. So be ready then. 4 to 5 p.m. is Berlin, Paris, South Africa time-ish. Alright? Gabby! Hello! Good night! Hello! Your USD, we shall do that in a split second. So, what do you call it, mister? What do you call it? What is your bias here, Gunai? I already have my bias. I want this to rise. And we did hit our target for the week. So, what else, mate? Where do you want this to fall? That would be interesting bias. But, other than that, yeah. Interesting in a positive way, not in a bad way, by the way. So, Let's go, Dave. Let's go. Are we going to do gold? We're going to do it twice. It is live. I'm going to do it soon. And then I'm going to do it in like half an hour or something. Gunai doesn't respond to me very quickly today, so I'm gonna expect you are bullish. So this is where we said on Sunday to buy, or at least that's what I'm made out on the live on Sunday. I was like, this is where you should be buying. Now it came down today. I freaked out. I have to be honest with myself. I did not like the fall we made yesterday, so I don't have any buy setups here. I don't have any buy orders here on the euro. Is euro bearish? No, not at all. So you could have sold this one that is out at break even now. That is M3 for the day, if you're wondering. You could probably also have sold that, but that fast quickly took you out. Took you out. That is very good English, I know. Hello, Evan. Did you go over pound dollar? I am just about to, Mr. Ashwirabat. And also, you are in the daily setups, and now I can start selling my things again. So there is daily setup that I've created for this week. We are meeting every evening in around 2 hours. Yeah, ish, 2 hours. In 2 hours, we're going to meet for daily setups. I'm going to say things I'm not going to say here. Don't worry. So if you are only in daily setups, that is where you should be. And then, how much does it cost? $30 a month, I think it is. And it's every Monday to Thursday for a month. For $30. How did we make the money this week? Oh yeah, we did. Boom. Fantastic. And that really should have paid for your monthly membership for this first week. If you have some lot size higher than 0.01. Deal. Stream your live on TV and trading. Regards from Germany. Welcome. Waiting for double top before selling. Yeah. Risk off before Fed meeting. Ojo, you're onto something. You are a clever man. It sounds like you were just copying what I was about to say. All right. Okay. So Ashwad is confirming we did well. I know there's other people who's maybe coming here soon and saying it went well. So yeah. So daily setups is day trading setups that I would take every single day, kind of a thing. And anyways, so let's continue. Euro USD. That was your buy. I didn't take it, so don't come for me. But should I have? Yeah. I have lost money in these situations before. So because we hit target early, that is my sole reason. It's the only reason. It was a Tuesday. Tuesday is very early in the week. The other one that is also interesting is if we make a higher high, I will start buying again. But I am not going to be risking, 30 pips down? I'm not going to bother. Sure. Stick to your strategy, I would say, and my beliefs at least. So, do I think we're going to have stronger dollar next week? I will say that in the weekly forecast, the reasons for why I think that's going to happen. But yes, that is something I'm looking into. Chief Hordick, where have you been? Mate, I miss you. Can we hold buy on Euro USD, Sharon? Yes, you can. You can. Just have your, I don't know if your entry is, but if you have it around 1620, break even. Just go break even. Hope you're getting sleep and not getting disturbed by some Indian guy. Telling my secrets online. Okay. Pound dollar. Where are we? Where did I buy it? I bought it today at 37.79. So you as a group could have gotten way better entry than I got. I bought there. That is around. Is it Daily Central? I think it is. I could have bought this one here, Daily M2 as well. But it's is pound. It can go 100 pips down and you have plenty of losses. So I'm like, nope. So I bought it around 79-ish. So in this area here, I could have probably bought it here as well. Surplus was here. So I'm still okay. And what am I right now? 47 pips up. So yeah, I'm okay. I am not suffering. You don't need to set care packages just yet. So yeah, that is pound, and then waiting for the same thing tomorrow around 137.89, 137.88, 84. Yeah. I hope you're sending this live to your brothers and sisters in trading that you think this could be interesting for them too. So yeah. Let's do gold. I have some nice things to say, and I have not so nice things to say about gold. First of all, we are in a range. We need to identify that we are in a range. We also need to identify that whatever setups we had selling 1783 was a short-term lived trade. Well, that was just sell, and then whatever happens afterwards is kind of whatever. If you sold 1783, you should minimally acceptable for performance in my group is break even. You should even have profits out of this fall, by the way, because we went down from 1783 all the way down to, where are you? 1783 down to 1765. And that is 1% down. It is 179. I expect you guys to make some out of that move. If you didn't, okay, try next time to be a better trader. Learn from it. What do you learn? Well, depending on where you sold, where you didn't sell, and all those things. Did you sell here? Okay, stop loss maybe. Did you sell here? Then you should at least be break even overall. That is what I expect you to do. Right now, I don't know. Gold is not giving me a direction. Gold is not setting up nice trades. Gold is at resistance, but we probably should sell gold when dollar gets strong again. So, hello, James. So other than that, James made money this week. I love that. Other than that, I feel like it's. I don't like it. No, I don't feel it until dollar is strong again, and dollar is currently falling. So that would probably make us a bad trade into gold and be late to the move. I will take that risk and I will take that premium and take that to the grave and say, hey, we were sure that dollar is going to fall, gold is going to fall, dollar is going to rise, and it's actually happening. And right now, dollar is falling, gold is rising, so we just have to wait for the market condition to be correct, okay? So we don't do, I don't know, a sub-premium, less of a probability trade. I only want a high probability trade in my setups. So I'm going to toss that one out of the window. Another trade that was mentioned in the daily setups yesterday and also to the mentorship group was this price here around 157.36 area. It was also mentioned in the live with trader Nick. And if you are a buyer and didn't buy that, I'm wondering why you are buying. Okay. Also, this thing that I forgot to mention, yes, look at US 10-year T-note. It has been falling today at least, but is generally speaking bullish. That is in turn going to send gold down. So yeah, at least for today, gold, no US 10-year T-note fell. That would mean risk off. So that one is risk off, by the way. But also do remember, we are at 164% at the moment. Yield on the risk-free investment in America. It is rising small and small over time. So, but yeah. So for those who, I'm just gonna go on my end what I like to show you guys sometimes. This is Norway today. So not my job, but this is the Norwegian. This is the Norwegian newspaper, the state paper. And the bus is off the road, has to be rescued by a tow truck. So I love when the snow comes, and every single year, without exceptions, someone crashes. Someone needs to be towed, and that is the day of the year where tow truckers make tons of money and they work 24/7 until they are kind of like until they are cleared. So this is where you should have a buy on pound yen. Nothing else is as expected. Stop loss was below here. You should not be out of here. You should not have lost money here. If you did lose money, mentorship is at ivanfx.com. That is where I teach you guys. Yeah. How was your vacation, James? I saw you posted some nice photos from Canada. All right. So in our family, we care about people and where they go for travel, and if they travel, and if they go to Iceland or they go to remote villages in Maine or what do you call it, Ontario, above Ontario. I saw a pilot, like whatever call it, travel blog-ish, that went to not Saskatchewan, was some kind of small village up far north, and was the only thing going to the mainland was an airplane. So something Turk. I can't remember the rate. I will probably give you the link there, bro. But that's pretty funny that you can fly to those remote villages in far north, above the polar circle, by the way. And this was also, the photo is from above the polar circle. And right now it's dark. Not that it's dark because it's dark because of it's late at night, but it's not, well, soon the sun is actually going away. There's not going to be any sun until February. So maybe half a month until that just disappears. New Zealand dollar is TP. Okay. Nothing to do. Take profit, go home, do something else. Nothing more to see. That is monthly. Weekly, take profit, take profit. If it rises now, it is above and beyond what I consider to be normal trading conditions. It is too strong. I will be like, adios amigos. I will not care about New Zealand dollar anymore. Netgas, we will do Netgas. Hello from Indonesia. Welcome. And then National Dish Malaysia. I was supposed to remember that because that says nasi lemak. Have you had that today, Mr. Sundendra? That was wrong. Good. So, yeah, okay. So that is kind of a technical update on New Zealand. The other one we need to look out for, was there some CPI out of Canada today? I felt like I saw that somewhere in the comment section, and that comment section goes so fast I can't even see two things. So 4.4, 3.7, above 3.5, 3.6, 3.7, bada bing boom, and that is sending CAD higher. Ooh, burn! That's gonna hurt. So yeah, CAD is still going strong here, bro. If dollar gets strong, that is going to be interesting. But also Euro USD comes in at target. Not really fantastic. You see 3.7, target is 2.5, and Europe was just 1.9. So not even close. Well, they have inflation ish, but nowhere close to anywhere where it can be at all. So, and also know that these Malaysians are at night, so I'm gonna be faster than rocket ships. So since Since James was the only one asking for his pair, I'm going to do Nasdaq. And Nasdaq says that we're going to go higher. Okay? So, Hardic, we have a double bottom, higher high. Okay? Anyone out there that understand what I'm meaning, you understand the hidden message in here? That means that I believe this one has turned around. This is now turning bullish. And if you see tomorrow at 50975 is probably where you should buy tomorrow. And I think this one's going to go to the moon in the end. But that is me and my... So stop loss is very close here. Stop loss is just down to 4.8 or 4.88 or 4.9. Very local stop loss here. So I don't know if that is too much for you guys, but I would like at least, okay, 2,000. Is it too much? 4%? Is it too much stop loss? Technically it looks nice. And then I just want to appreciate something here. Let me see if I can show you guys something. That's always fun. So for those who can see, before I updated 4685 subscribers, and if we go to today's subscribers, nope, that was wrong. Okay, I'm just gonna go fast. There. Aha! Fantastic! Thank you, family. I just want to appreciate every single one of you, absolutely beautiful family. We are now 4,730. Namaste, so thank you very much. I am deeply humbled that you guys think that this face is something worth listening to. Hi, buddy. USD, yes. So, for those who didn't understand what I said earlier, is there any currency pairs you want me to cover? Leave them in the comment section. Come on, mate. You guys are so silent. Aye. I can start laughing if that makes you guys more energetic. But yeah, Harold, a YouTube member on my channel, says thank you. C-Tube, just subscribed. Welcome to the family. I deeply appreciate every single one of you. USD. Okay, Aussie dollars, bro. Yeah. We'll do Aussie dollar. And then we do USD yen because that was asked for. I'm so so that I'm always kind, but I'm trying to be kind. USD yen. Okay. Pivot points and all those scalps is out of the window. That was your potential buy. Okay. EMAs says that we are, at least on a 1 hour, we are saying trend reversal. On the 4 hour, we are saying aggressive trend. Okay. So, as long as we are above this red line here and continue higher high tomorrow, this is going to continue higher. And the other thing that I then need to mention here is, it is, generally speaking, tending to go range in the end. So, I'm not gonna buy it. But if you have a bullish bias, good on you. You can probably buy anytime soon. The other thing, if you are a seller of this market, just wait. If it does that, then you can start selling at resistance here, or if it breaks this resistance, take this resistance. But pivot, no. Moving average wise, trend wise, it is to the moon at this moment. So if you're selling, no sir, nothing today, no. For those who knows me, I know a lot of jokes. And then I'm gonna do a joke, and Harold, you're gonna laugh your bejeeches off. Okay? Listen out. What is not heavy but blue? Okay? What is not heavy but blue? And Harold, don't answer it. Don't. Pasana Tito. Okay, so USDN still still to the upside. James has the classical response. So, what is not heavy, but blue? Light blue. If I'm not seeing laughing, crying emojis anytime soon, bro. I just love my humor sometimes. Now I get to be myself and my dad jokes, and I didn't want to take them on the 8-way trading. Anyways, Aussie dollar, I think you should probably target a buy around 74.94. Day trade scalp. Not a lot of, don't have a high position there, but yeah, I think that is quack. What is probably gold resistance today? Talk about it, please. Current price supposed to be the resistance. And he says, "Oh Lord, let me get out of here." And yes, I do laugh of my own jokes. Cheers, mate. Is USD unlikely to hit 115, bro? Yes. If you have a bullish bias, yes, that is absolutely the way to go. Hey, Hair News, Tree Sam, your Trader Nick. Welcome very much, JT2000. Hope you have subscribed and enjoying the stream. And please, if you have anything, questions, or any trading pairs you want me to cover, please leave them as fast as you can, because this one is going fast. So, Aussie dollar still going higher. By the way, target hit on monthly, daily, weekly. You are in substantial risk of this one turning lower whenever dollar starts rising. So, remember that. But yeah, still allowed, but small loss, no small lot size, like 0.0, like 0.1%, like it's very small. Just a day trade, just to have something to do. I think more than anything else. Hello from. Oh, okay. Denise is back. Okay. Denise says, why do ants never get sick? Because they teeny ant. Because they tiny ant. Oh. No. Oh, I sorry, I read it wrong. I'm sorry for destroying it. They have tiny ant. They have tiny antibodies. Yes, they have. Okay. So, USD was asked for, and then I will do so. Where do you want us to go, brother? I want us to fall, and I know that Harold is buying this with all of his life insurance. This is currently bearish. This is so day trade. This one bearish-ish. Why never? Why? Why do ants never get sick? Because they have small antibodies. Anyways, so if you are a day trader of USSR, there's your sell, there's your sell. I will take away these emails. What's wrong with this music today? Anyways, there's your, well, I don't know. I don't like that one, so you have to have a lower low. Maybe sell tomorrow. Where is the target? Was it hit? I don't think it was hit. Yeah, so we still have plenty of room to go. Still have plenty of room to go monthly. We have plenty of room to go daily, weekly, sorry. So yeah, tomorrow is a sell. Fall to the bottom. Going to the 4-hour low, yeah. So probably around 14, 48, 37 is probably a resistance you want to find at around New York Open. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for destroying it, man. Sorry for destroying it. Sorry for destroying it though. But I have more in store though. If you are you guys into dad jokes? What is Beethoven's favorite fruit? That is the driest thing I have today, guys. At the moment. But Beethoven's favorite fruit is banana. Anyways. Yeah, I know. Yeah. Anyways, so yeah, what is next one? USSR, Euro Swissy was asked for. That is the most range pair that you can come across on this entire planet Earth. And it was ranging. No, sorry, it was trending. And no, it's no longer trending. So that is a range. That is a range. And where is it gonna go, sir? I don't know. I don't know. This is a very difficult trading pair. I hate it, by the way. And if that makes you unsubscribe, I'm sorry. But please, can we find something better that I can actually kind of make you make money on it, kind of a thing? It's not bearish, it's bullish, it's range. So if it breaks lower, maybe I can help you then. So tell me when it's trending again, I can help you then. Should you have sold here? There is no place in Earth that is a good sell. Should you have sold here? Yeah, you can. But the thing is about ranges, it can be a range bound here, go up, and then make a range here, and then go down, make a range here. And then you're selling, oh, stop loss. And then you're buying, stop loss. Selling, oh, stop loss, you know? So, Raphael, we're doing Euro Swiss right now. I don't know. It is currently a no-go zone because it's not trending. That's where I make money. That is what I want to see. So I'm sorry. What is the confirmation signal for DXY reversal? A higher high. Straightforward. If it breaks above If it breaks above this price here, say 93.80 something, give or take. Do Aussie yen? Who asked for that twice? 3 times. The Tamizo to go. That's for Aussie yen. Okay, alright. Okay. Okay. So, this is bullish. I feel like it's Russian sometimes because it doesn't like me. That is your buy today. This was your buy on the what do you call it? Daily pivots, scalp. Day trade didn't come down to the actual day trading pivot though, but sure, go ahead. There was one yesterday. I didn't take it, I think. And then, so yeah, so it's a very difficult trading material at the moment. Maybe our forecasted EMAs. That is your buy there. There is your buy there, and there, and there. So every time it comes to the 21 EMA, and I marked it red, that is considered to be a buy signal. But be remember, this one can fall next time you buy it. So small lots. Why do I say small lots? Because if we were here, for example, that would be fantastic, right? That is fantastic trading. That is where you can have your bigger lots. That's where you have your mother loads. And then if it makes higher highs, and then you start buying again. But now you have so elevated through the roof, everything just, you know. Xavier says, I love what you did on next live, next stream. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. Can gold go back to 1778? that is awfully. If you sold this Mr. Seed Tube, I would recommend, without giving you any financial advice, to get out. Why don't birds wear pants? James? Why don't birds wear pants? Okay. Yeah. I'm actually my biggest worry and what I really had to think about myself before I did it. One, you're not used to me. I'm a different person, a bit of a different strategy, maybe the same concept and the same goal to teach you guys how to trade. But I have a different things. I have indicators, and people don't like indicators apparently on Extreme. Somebody, I put out what on moving averages, and people are like, hey, get those away. I'm like, okay. And then I don't necessarily get a lot of views. So I guess my kind of reasoning with myself is that not many people likes that. And I don't want to ruin his 500 people every day coming around live, where he has 4,000 views and I barely 200. So I don't really, my fear was I didn't want to really ruin his streak of getting people there, having fun with them. And I have a lot. I know I have a lot of sidetracks. I talk a lot about other things that's not necessarily trading, but maybe psychology. Maybe that's boring to someone. And I'm kind of like, I've just accepted that I'm a small trader, small community, and I do very well with myself and with our community, and I'm happy with what we have. But yeah. Denise says you're doing great on. But where's your answer, bro? I didn't see the. Why don't birds wear pants? Because their pecker is on their face. Okay. Sir, please make a video on scalping and teaching trading gold. Not for all, but for we small people. Farid. Okay, I will put it down to Bert. Nice work this morning anyway in trading. Yeah, thank you very much, Bert. I still remember your donation though. Bro, there's a lot of news coming up on USD, Euro, CAD, Pound, etc. in the Forex factory. Can we expect a trend reversal in the upcoming market? Okay. Wrong reasoning, Sharon. Wrong reasoning, okay? I talk a lot about trading plans. And... Sorry, 2 seconds. Sorry. As my mother used to say, it's good to turn your lungs around, like to flip them inside out. I don't know what it was. What is it? Like, was it dust or was it a bug or what? I don't know what happened. Sorry. Yeah. Yeah, I'm alive. Did you check Euro Yen? We will do Euro Yen, yeah. I stuck something, I don't know if it was the wrong tube or if it was a bug or something. I don't know what it was, dust. We can do use all as well, yes. Thank you very much, Janice. What went down must come up, I guess. So gold, if you have sells, please get out. JT 2000, I normally I don't know what your time is right now. So I normally go live 1 hour before Trader Nick. So that is, let's see, 8 a.m. EST, I think it is. It is Berlin time 2 p.m. So it's like 30 minutes before New York open. So 2 p.m. Berlin. And that is in Malaysia. I think that should be 8 p.m. I think it is. 8 p.m. Malaysia time. So you do your own calculus of where you are. If you are in South Africa, that is normally around, I think it's 2 p.m. by the way. If not, just subscribe and you will be notified. If you are in my Discord channel, all free by the way. Link in the description, I think it is. If not, just tell me and I will give it to you. I'll probably give it to you, just for the fun of it. And invite link. There we are. Oh, okay, that's actually the wrong. That's actually the wrong screen to do it on. But yeah, so there is free Discord. I most likely give you an announcement of when I'm going to. Okay, I'm still live. Sorry. Frapper problem. So if you are selling gold, please get out. That is my. If you are buying, everything is okay. Right, because dollar went down and we didn't make a lower low, so that is out. So when should you get out? You should have got out maybe around here and think of if we can make a new lower low, then we can go lower again. But other than that, you need to have a trend. Always look for a trend. So you always look for lower lows, right? So I don't have that right now, so get out. But not financial wise whatsoever. You do you. It's only my personal opinion. That's what I would do anyways. Euro yen, I was there. There is your buy. I don't like it, but I think it can still move higher. Euro dollar is still not moving lower, at least. Yeah. So sure, continuation higher by it's 123.84. I don't know when I did it. I think I did that in Trader Nick Live. So that's another one, another feather to the hat. I mean, another golden star, another golden goose. I was able to put into that live, and wow, those lives. If people just took those trades I was planting just in front of their face, those people should be cheering every single day, because this week has been good to me. Has been good to my trading account, good to me, good to you. So all good. Oil. What did I mean about euro yen? Buy higher. As long as we're still going higher, we're all good. Target is well past a long time ago. So whatever it goes to at the moment. Took your pound yen buy during that session. Yeah. Fantastic, Samson. Fantastic. I love that. So I said that was the buy zone, I think. I hope I said that. That was your plan A. So that is the buy zone. We are now coming up to a triple top. I know that I lied that you are selling this one here. I believe you sold it here too. Okay, have fun with those small trades. That's not necessarily the longer term trend, is it? So somebody wants you to go down to 80. I wouldn't go down to 80 per se. And I'm not hating on you, Ally, but I would love for you to follow the trend. So there's a buy, there's a buy, and there's a buy. And I know you sold here somewhere. And good on you, by the way. Good on you. But yeah, I only want you to win. I only want you to have massive profits. That's all. Okay. So it's all good-hearted. So other than that, if you made tons of money, and I remember that one, yeah, I saw that one coming back up, and I was like, okay, this one is not going to go well, and then boom, straight down again. So until we have broken 80-ish, 79.50, it's still very bullish. So New York there, sent it higher again. Cool. Is this a possibility to sell it again? Not at this moment, at least. I would probably say That is actually a buy. So short term, at least, it is currently a buy still, but we are very high. So wait for New York Open tomorrow. Where do you find New York Open tomorrow? And New York Open opened at 14:30, so that's around here. Comes back down to some kind of. We went way below the M2 today. Okay, so that was the buy at 81. Okay, that was the market did. But yeah, so that was bearish, bullish. Woohoo! When is it bullish? When is it bearish? It is bearish as long as we are below the 55 and 100. The 21 is below the 55, and once we break higher, that is now you turn bullish and you buy off the 21. Buy off the 21. Buy off the 21. How long are you planning to hold your GU buy? As long as we are making higher highs and higher lows, and as long as dollar is still making lows, and as long as we are still anticipating that there's going to be a rate increase in UK, then I'm still good to go. So we have 37 people right now watching, and you only have 19 likes. Come on, people. Give me some reasons to make you. Give me some reasons so you can click that like button. But yeah. I got stopped out of my pound yen during London session, jumped back in during Uranix live. Okay, that's okay. A bit too close stop loss though, but that's all good. Are you okay, Ally, on that? We are all good on that. Yeah, Sharon. What I wanted to say about news is not. First of all, I'm not angry. I'm very clear with you, okay? I'm not angry, but just stop listening to news, okay? Those who sold that narrative that news is your worst friend needs to be taken down from YouTube. News is your friend. News events is information that you are going to use to your benefit to make sure that you have a fundamental bias in the right direction. News events is for you to get into your trades and in your direction. It is for markets to move your plan to take profit. Because the thing is, it all matters. It all comes down to black and white, nothing else, clear cut. It all comes down to your plan. Do you plan to buy US oil? Why? Because blah 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 blah. Okay. What is your plan A? What is your plan B? Okay. That is where we need to be, because if you are expecting this one to fall, okay, you have reason A, B, and C. Now you need to look for bearish setups. And this, in my eyes, there is no bearish setups at the moment. So you can't trade it, even though there is Armageddon, or if there is a CPI, or if there is NFP, or whatever is out there. It doesn't matter. Okay? What matters is where's your trade plan. And the market will push it in direction if you're right. And if you're wrong, get out, because it will make lower lows, okay? If your trading plan was on USD CAD was to sell it, good, you have made a lot of money. If you were to buy it, well, why didn't you buy it here then? Why didn't you buy it here then? Why didn't you buy it in bullish trade, in bullish markets, okay? So I believe during the whole year, let me go through EURUSD just to end my rant very quickly. Monthly, not that one, by the way. We're gonna do that one, monthly. Okay, cool. So let's go to daily, and then we go maybe 4 hours. Sorry. Then we go EURUSD. We have sell setup goes down there. We have sell setup goes down there. But even though we have a sell setup, we have a bearish month. It still went up here. It still went up here, and it still went up here. And then in April, we have a bearish month, no, bullish month. Then we have a bearish, whatever, 2 or 5 days, whatever that was. And then we go back up again. Now it falls a bit there, goes back up again. And then in June, we fall all the way down again. And then in August, we fall all the way down again, even though there was a buy setup there. And in August, there was even a buy setup at the end of the month. And then we fall down again. So my point is, even though if you're a buyer or a seller, you are gonna get paid if you just stay patient and wait for your setup and be clear about what setups you're gonna trade. You're gonna make plenty of money. Doesn't matter if you're a buyer or seller, God or guru, doesn't matter. What matters is patience, plan, patient plan, and then profit will come. If you have already done your due diligence, you have your demo trade, you have tested them out on demo, you know it works, it will work out in the end. Even though if you lose 10 trades in a row, it's gonna work out in the end, as long as you stick to the plan and don't change. That is probably the death sin of them all, is to be, well, I'm gonna buy today and then tomorrow sell. I'm gonna buy today, I'm gonna sell tomorrow. And then you buy, sell, and you never get anything. But if you stick to your trading plan, you still get 200 to 300 pips pullbacks, even though the bearish trend was 400. Okay. 5, 8, 21, 55, 55, 100 EMAs. That is what I have on my chart at the moment. What is the name of this indicator? Is Wayne's Pivots. It is in the what do you call it? It is in the pinned comment at the top. It says you can find the indicator here in the comment section of that video. Watch the video so you can see how to apply it. The next video in the pinned comment is the strategy that I'm using. Deadly Chaser. Okay? Straightforward. If not, you can see this is the introduction to pivot points. This is where you find the pivot points indicator. This is where the strategy is with this nice cover photo or thumbnail, whatever you call it. Okay? And I would like some, if you have seen it, please leave a comment so I'm sure that you have seen it. Okay? Okay, but that was a rant. Sorry about that rant. Please guide on silver. Yeah, what is there to be done? Okay, it's bullish. Okay, didn't fall. Okay, sorry about that. Daily, weekly, bullish. If you are a seller, you're getting out as fast as you can. So if you sold, let's say here. You sold 22.80 for whatever reason that is. When should you get out? Latest 23.20. What is that? A higher high. Then we go higher again. Are you out now? Are you out now? Are you out now? So if you are a buyer, there is your buy at 22. There is your buy there. There's a buy there. There's a buy there. And there's a buy even today. Tomorrow we're having 24.12. To be buying off, or 23.97 for tomorrow. Hello, Toddy. How are ya? Sir holding buy from 22 and trailing stop loss. Fantastic. Boom. Good on you, Farid. What is your target? I would probably put a target at right now 24. That is the weekly target. So whoops. The target for the month is 25. So yeah. Black Swan flying, big dog. Yeah, there you are, mate. Thank you. One day you're gonna pay me back. But I'm not gonna talk about it. It's not money. It's not money related, by the way. Why do I help you guys? Because you guys help me reach other people that needs help. But also you need help too, so I'm gonna be there to help you. New Zealand yen doesn't come down to any levels to be bought. It's just going higher and going higher and going higher. It is one of the craziest move of this year. It's straight off. Yeah, catch while you can, I guess. Money can't buy anything. But it can also make sure that I'm still going to be on YouTube for the future. Yeah, sure. Great. What else was I supposed to say? I feel like I ended there. 55 minutes, okay. Respect. Yeah. What is the best trade pair to trade tomorrow? I am still on pound and probably New Zealand dollar or New Zealand. No, not New Zealand. Pound dollar probably. Still the one that is still valuable to trade higher. Stock market, we didn't get any entries, did we today? We just went boom higher. So we're almost making. Are we making a new all-time high now? Soon making a new all-time high at the monthly target for October. Whoop whoop whoop. Not that mattered to anyone. We just make sure that we are going to be buying 45.50 next month. That's all. Hello, Zhao. Good morning. How are you? Are you still awake? I feel so bad that you need to be awake in the morning or evening or whatever to just be with me. I'm sorry for that. Can pound go higher? Should pound will go higher. It's not if or can. It goes. It is. And I am currently 53 pips in profit on pound dollar. Just today. On the today's trade. That was published in the Discord channel, so I don't know where I didn't posted that one. Okay. I feel like I'm dying out here. More than anything else. Nasdaq. Tja. Nothing majorly different, I guess. Coming down to some buy areas. Sure. Very high at the moment, but if you can get it a bit lower before rising, is always nice. But yeah, day trading it is a bit difficult at the moment, but sure. Click the button to increase this algorithm. To encourage the algorithm, by the way. If I've given you any value, any trade plans whatsoever for tomorrow, that is, now we are looking into pound buying tomorrow. We are looking into pound yen buying tomorrow. We bought, that is your buy, by the way, and then Aussie yen, sure, can buy something tomorrow. CAD yen, sure, you could buy something tomorrow. Euro yen, sure, you can buy something tomorrow. New Zealand yen, choose one of those I've just mentioned. Find support at around London Open. Take your chance. Use stop loss. Use whatever you need to do. And I will make sure to support you in all the ways that I can whenever this one is going against you or whatever. But right now we have dollar bearishness. We are falling at the moment on dollar. That is the current move. Until we make a higher high on dollar, that is when you can start looking to buy. But at the moment, there's nothing in this world that indicates a bullish trend on dollar. Short term, at least for tomorrow. If this goes higher tomorrow, make sure you don't lose more than 1%. That you're ready to be buying this one if that is your bias. Other than that, any buys tomorrow in euro? Yeah, maybe. 1643, 1637 is your buy areas for tomorrow. Can we enter a buy right now on pound? Right now, pound is a higher high, so no, at least wait for a 138 pullback for tomorrow morning. Okay, all the fun in the world. Please send this out. Please spread the word about me to all the traders that is struggling out there. It doesn't matter. I want them because I want to help them just as much as I'm helping you. And what is the ultimate gift you can give back to me? Positivity, trade plans, your heart, and your trade plans, so I can help you becoming a better Forex trader. I want to trade with you for the next 20 years. We are family. I'm never going to let you down. If you call me at midnight, I will still pick up your phone call. If you are in my mentorship course at AvenFX, daily setups at AvenFX, $30, we're meeting in 1 hour. Boom. Have a good day.